Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So yesterday was complete chaos, big ups, big downs. That is still coming in off the 155 here, and I'll ignore this trend line. I was looking for a position yesterday, which didn't materialize. So essentially, we're looking for the first two. So I'm looking for these first two fractals, and it doesn't really look very appetizing. And if I move it, nor does the next one. So yeah, let's just get rid of that. Essentially, we're looking for a retest of structure. Now, we were paying attention to this level here, and you can see there's the next one. And the next level up is probably the one that I'd be interested in, because if we regain that and build a base above that, that's going to build the base for the move to the upside, which will target the gap and also get back to these highs that we were flirting with. So for me at the moment, we do have non-farm payrolls today, so it's kind of a sit on hands day until things get better. And nothing really on the 8 hour except for the oscillators group to the downside here. So this is the area that we're looking for. We do have a crossover here as well. Trend is still up on the 8 hour, but the 3 hour does have the picture that we need at the moment. So we have crossed over the moving averages. We are flirting with the 155. So rejection here at 45.21 would get us going to the downside, and in all honesty, that would be the level that I would see us targeting as a start, which would be 44.64. Just dropping down to the hour, and you can see oscillators are sort of meandering to the upside. Look at the chaos of yesterday: big down, big up, big down, big up, big down, big up, big down, big up. So yeah, that is telling. I think the zone that we've got here is what we need to be paying attention to, but I'd be very skeptical of taking something before non-farm payrolls. When you drop down to the 50-minute, you have sort of a rounding bottom forming. And remember, when you get, it only was, what was that, 2 days of downtrend, and then you get 1 day of chaos like this. Look at this diversions there. Good example telling you leave this thing alone. Probably going to get burnt if you're trying to chase shorts. And at the moment, it's a rounding bottom. So this zone, as I said, is the telling area. So it's 45.21 and 45.31. And probably above 4,500 at the moment, but that would be the next level. So yeah, so I'm sit on hands until non-farm payrolls, and then we'll have a look to see whether there's an opportunity here. It all depends on non-farm payrolls. If it's as expected, then I suspect this rounding bottom is going to play out. We'll break the upside, come back and test, and start setting up some structure for next week to the upside. If it is slightly weaker, you probably find us pull down the bottom to try and form a range. If it's a lot weaker than what we're expecting, then I would expect the break to the downside. So for now, it's sit on hands until non-farm payrolls are out of the way. We do have some slight diversions here to the upside. So and that's basically bearish diversion. So anyway, we are in amongst moving averages here on the 15 minutes. So it's kind of a situation where you need to just wait for the noise to finish, and then we can have a look at it to see where we're going. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Enjoy your weekend. Cheers for now.